एज ए न्यू एक्टर मुझे ज़्यादा कॉल्स मुकेश छाबड़ा, प्रशांत शुभम, एंटी कास्टिंग से आते हैं. मुझे धर्मा यशराज से बहुत ही कम आता है. व्हाट्स द रीजन?
ये डिपेंड्स ऑन कि वो फिल्म का रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. पर आई थिंक वो एक ऐसा कोई फंडा नहीं है. हम लोग आई थिंक हमारी हर एक फिल्म पे हम नए फेसेस को डिस्कवर करते हैं. मिस्टर एंड मिसेस माही पे हमारी 80% सेकेंडरी कास्टिंग ईमेल्स के थ्रू ही है.
Panchami, you were assisting your brother Ayan, Mr.
Yeah.
Ayan Mukherjee on Wake Up Set.
Yeah.
I have heard this from Mr. Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, in an interview that Ayan went to his home and he said, "Look, you're ruining my film." And from that point, he started working on the craft.
He's fearless in his choices. He doesn't question his own talent.
Mr. Mukesh Chhabra once said in an interview, "If you are a good actor, passport size photo is enough." You being a casting director, if I share a passport size photo with you,
I don't believe in portfolio pictures at all. So I mean, I kind of understand where Mukesh would be coming from, because वो I think वो एक money making racket था कि portfolio photos खिंचाओ.
casting का process है, it's somewhere not organized.
Not, I'm telling you that, but it's difficult यार. 1.3 billion people, उसमें हर एक को या तो क्रिकेटर बनना है या तो एक्टर बनना है.
Right.
Of course it's chaotic. अगर आप वो क्रिकेट में भी देखो तो उसमें भी बहुत पॉलिटिक्स होती है.
Casting में होती politics? So, Panchami.
Yes.
Now, Panchami, correct me if I'm wrong, you are from Lee Strasberg, right?
Yeah.
I was amazed because ना क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे casting directors जिनसे मैं मिलता हूँ ना, they themselves are not trained enough, right? You, on the other hand, like passed out from a very big institution, Lee Strasberg, right? So, how casting and not acting?
What Strasberg helped me with, which I can never take away, I didn't do a very long course there, honestly. But जो भी मैंने टाइम वहाँ पे स्पेंड किया ना, उसमें वो कोर्स में उन लोग खाली एक्टिंग नहीं सिखाते हैं. There's a lot of other stuff. I was doing a class called 100 Eyes, which is once a week you watch a movie and then someone from the film comes and gives you a lecture, which is amazing.
Okay, so it's same kind of film appreciation kind of a course?
Yeah, yeah. It's not only, yes, it's focused on acting, but I also did a class called Audition Protocol, which is amazing. Audition Protocol is like the etiquette that actors need to have at audition.
Please tell us.
Which is amazing. So Audition Protocol is basically everything you will do leading up to an audition.
Right.
Which is from your prep to like etiquette, which etiquette I actually think is a very interesting part, because I think India में किसी ने लोगों को बताया नहीं है कि आपको एक ऑडिशन रूम में कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए. आपको आप अपने को एक्टर को या जो भी आपको क्यूज दे रहा है, व्हाट इज ओके टू टेल देम एंड व्हाट इज नॉट ओके. यू नो, इंडिया में ऐसे बहुत होता है कि कुछ लोग ऑडिशन में आते हैं सिंह भाई तू अपना थोड़ा बढ़ा दे, तुम मेरा ऐसा आएगा. सो इट्स अ लिटिल सो लाइक ओवरस्टेपिंग is something that we have not because we in India हम लोग के पास वो कल्चर इतना रहा नहीं है. वो अभी बहुत चेंज हो रहा है ट्रेंड एक्टिंग का.
Right.
वो पहले था नहीं. मैंने मजाक भी उड़ाया है अपने स्टोरीज एंड ऑल पे, जब लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि you know what is the one most important thing, I'm like, just acting सीखो. You know, just give that time, because I think that was not a culture that was there in India.
But Panchami, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
When you told about etiquettes, right?
Yeah.
Audition room में क्या etiquettes होने चाहिए?
Yeah.
Could you please educate me on this? कि
Of
क्या
course, just a few
etiquettes-
things I'll
please.
name, which is first things first is like when you schedule a time, you should, like we take it for granted that 10 minutes up and down is okay. But if you're delayed for anything more than 10 minutes to reach an audition or to get there, then you must call and inform.
Number one is be punctual.
Your time.
Okay.
Your time is the most punctual. Most important to be punctual. And if you're running late, to inform.
Okay.
People also often, this is a very common thing in casting, that they often last minute give a excuse because they're not prepared.
Right. Okay.
And actors making an excuse, we are instinctive. उनकी आवाज से ही पता चल जाता है.
Okay.
So I would say, instead of making excuses, own up if you're not prepped. Third thing is that actors sometimes over rehearse their lines before coming for a test.
Okay.
Which is कि आपने उसको कुछ ज्यादा ही बार पढ़ लिया. तो अभी एक रट्टा मार सीन को नो करना एक चीज होती है और उसको रट्टा मारना सेकंड
So
चीज
you're
होती
saying
है.
कि एक पैटर्न बन जाता है
Yes.
जो ब्रेक नहीं कर पाता है.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay.
Which is usually a very sing-song pattern.
Okay.
आप किस मोमेंट्स पे ब्रेक्स ले रहे हो आपके सेंटेंसेस पे, उसको ब्रेक करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज आपने उसको उस तरीके से इतनी बार घर में किया है, मे बी 30-40 टाइम. आई वुड से गो ओवर द लाइन्स 5 to 6 times.
Okay.
आई वुडंट से दैट प्रेप इट लाइक 30-40 टाइम्स तो करने की जरूरत है ही नहीं.
Okay.
The other thing that is really important is learn your scene, not your lines. This is a very big mistake that happens with actors.
Okay.
खाली खुद की lines learn करके आते हैं. मतलब तो फिर तो आप सुन ही नहीं रहे हो.
Right.
Because then वो बोलते हैं ना queuing, that you're preempting. What is preempting? That before you're supposed to say your line, you're already ready. But उसमें क्या होता है कि you've lost a connect in the scene.
Right.
क्योंकि मैंने सुना ही नहीं आपकी बात.
जी.
तो जब तक मैं सुनूंगी नहीं तो मैं उससे पहले ही रिएक्ट कर रही हूँ. तो अगर कोई बड़ी या बहुत इमोशनल सीन में हो रहा है तो इट्स आई एम क्राइंग बिफोर यू सेड द की थिंग दैट आई शुड बी सैड अबाउट.
Okay.
So that creates that becomes selfish in a scene, really. Because what you're doing is you're not giving your co-actor the medium to listen.
Okay.
So that will affect their performance and that will affect your
You have
performance
to be a
as well.
giver as well.
Of course.
Okay.
So you can't only know your lines. It's too selfish. You should know your co-actors' lines as well. Yeah.
What's the most funniest thing an actor have done in an audition? ये आप शॉक हो गए अरे ये क्या?
वो कुछ भी करते हैं. कभी कभी हम लोग एक फिल्म ब्रदर्स के लिए टेस्ट कर रहे थे. दिस वाज one of my first projects, bigger projects I would say that I casted for, and we were doing MMA. We needed MMA people to come in, and kabhi actors, they're just so. I actually don't find it that funny, but I think now when I look back, it was a little bit funny. Is that they're so over enthusiastic to show their skills that वो कभी कैमरा के बारे में सोचते भी नहीं है. मतलब one person came in and he said, "Ma'am, मुझे MMA आता है," and then he did a headstand and he means you could just see his two legs in the camera. So I was like, wait, ऐसे आके आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते because इसमें वो उसको भी रिकॉर्ड करने का एक प्लानिंग चाहिए होता है. It's not like anyone can come and start doing anything in front of the camera. Is only a mid frame. So I think again this comes from a lack of knowledge of training. Is that you don't even आप actually वो मुझे दिखा रहे हो. आप कैमरा के लिए कर भी नहीं रहे हो बिकॉज वो कैमरा पे आने भी नहीं वाला है. तो थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग के आप कुछ भी अगर करने जाओगे सो एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ व्हाट इज अ कैमरा सीन. मैं स्किल तो ट्राई कर रहा हूँ दिखाने की बट वो कैमरा पे रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज खाली आपके पैर दिख रहे हैं, आपका एक हाथ दिख रहा है. सो आई थिंक दोज टेक्निकल थिंग्स आई फेस all the time, in front of the camera.
But पंचमी जब आप कास्टिंग करते हैं राइट, मैंने एक चीज देखी है कि हम ना being a casting director, क्योंकि मैंने कास्टिंग में काम किया है कुछ समय के लिए. I was an intern.
Where were you working? You were working in casting.
I was working with Mr. Parag Chadda. जिनके साथ मैंने पॉडकास्ट किया था. तो एक चीज मैंने देखी है कि हम ना बहुत जजमेंटल हो जाते हैं कई बार. That's our job to judge people in a way, right? अब उससे प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई कि अगर मैं घर पे भी हूँ और जब मैं कास्टिंग नहीं भी कर रहा हूँ तब भी आई एम जजिंग पीपल मोर ऑफन. It happens with you as well?
No, actually. I'm not very judgmental even as a casting director.
Okay.
So I'm not going to judge because also I've realized with actors they're too vulnerable, like we were talking about, and sensitive कि अगर मैं वो judgment में लग जाऊँ ना तो मुझे performance कभी नहीं मिलेगी. Because फिर तो वो एक vibe होता है ना हम.
Right.
If you worked or you have tested as an actor, you know that there are certain spaces that make you feel burdened. And I have visited and seen other spaces, in my younger days where one feels like मैं कैसे perform करूँगी. So I think that's something I caught on to very early. Okay. That I want to make it a more lucrative atmosphere for an actor to be able to perform in. And if it has this, you don't know who I am, or I can make and break you. If my assistants do that, then it will be detrimental to what we are trying to do. I think I take a lot of pride in the fact that मेरी जो casting की team है वो transitional नहीं है. ये बहुत common होता है casting में कि actors आते हैं आपको assist करने और फिर वो आके थोड़ा अपना कुछ सीख के 1-1.5 साल में निकल जाते हैं. That's actually not been the case with my team. So my team has been with me, I think the longest person has been with me for 6-7 years. And the least person has also been with me for 2 years.
It's very interesting. पंचमी क्या होता है ना casting में interns जुड़ते हैं and they are actors, they leave in 2-3-4 months.
Yeah.
I want to understand being an entrepreneur, female entrepreneur, how you hold an employee for a longer period.
Wow, I'll have to ask my team this. How will I answer it? No, I think that to be very honest, from whatever I understand from my team, I think it is because of the good work culture that we've been able to build as a team. Okay. I also am someone who's around the office a lot. Maybe to build that work culture has become easier because अगर मैं लेट्स से मैं कि अगर 7 घंटे के लिए भी नहीं होती हूँ ऑफिस में एवरी डे, तो 2-3 घंटे के लिए तो मैं होती हूँ।
Okay.
अगर हमारे पास काम है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू द ऑफिस बिकॉज आई लाइक द वर्किंग फ्रॉम द ऑफिस कल्चर. द अदर थिंग इज दैट I've never really restricted any of my assistants from doing work outside, even if they are actors.
Okay.
So they're all auditioning, yeah. They audition for ads. They get ads. They stand in for each other. I give them the days off. In fact, two of my assistants have done 12-day parts in an Amazon show that we are only casting for.
Okay.
So if they crack parts and they get it, I give them the leave also. Yeah, we are chilled out.
बट पंचमी बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, जब भी मैं किसी ऑडिशन रूम में जाता हूँ, बहुत सारे कास्टिंग इंटर्न्स असिस्टेंट, एक ब्रीफ आया डायरेक्टर का कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर के पास, वो ब्रीफ गया असिस्टेंट के पास, वो ब्रीफ गया इंटर्न के पास, राइट? तो जब वो पूरा हायरार्की चलता है ना, तो कई बार वो ब्रीफ ट्वीक हो जाता है और एक्टर तक सही इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं पहुंचती. आई हैव सीन इट, आई हैव बीन देयर, डन दैट, राइट?
Yeah.
Also, most of the interns are not trained enough how to handle an actor. For example, most of actors, they give the script, interns, and they do the scene. कि सर आप ऐसे करके दो, कि just mimic me.
Oh, that's very wrong. But we don't have. That's the thing. I guess the difference here is that I won't give direction to interns ever.
Okay.
So and my associates have all been there with me for a while.
Okay.
So associates will it will be associates that will direct a scene. The intern may be there in the room to assist, to help, to cue, and all of that. But I think that is something that I would also be able to identify because I watch every single batch that goes out of my office.
अच्छा, तो you do quality check last में before sending the batch.
100%, yeah, nothing is leaving the office. I would say maybe for tertiaries, I may not look into it as much because now I trust my team so much.
Okay.
But primary and secondary, we are seeing all playlists that are going up.
Okay. आप अपना casting process please break down करेंगे, like
Yeah.
in 5 steps, what you do from start to end.
So typically, our step one would be to read a script. So let's say a production house or a director. Mostly it's directors.
Okay.
Because casting directors and directors have a very, they have to have a very strong bond if they want to jam on a film together. Casting is also an important department. So you need to trust your casting director. So read a script is step one.
ठीक है.
Step two is ideally the first thing I like to do is me and my team will together sit and ideate names.
Okay.
And then we'll make a PPT on the key characters.
अच्छा, sorry to interrupt here. डेटाबेस आपके पास होता है और आप सोशल मीडिया से हंट करते हो. These are the 2 platforms जहाँ से आप हंट करते हो नए एक्टर्स को.
Yeah.
Right.
Our own database, this Instagram, of course.
Okay.
I don't do open introductions, so that's not something I've ever done.
Never done.
No.
Okay.
I don't believe in it only.
So how to be in your database as an actor?
We are quite accessible
Okay.
on social media.
Okay.
Like so far, it's worked really wonderfully for us. But you do have to keep your eyes open on requirements that we are putting up, etc. So the minute we put a requirement up, we are really checking those emails like crazy.
Okay.
There are times my team will go over like 2,000 emails if we need to.
But Panchami, what I feel ना कि ये जो casting का process है,
Yeah.
it's somewhere not organized.
It's not. I'm telling you that. It's not organized. But it's difficult यार. 1.3 billion people. उसमें हर एक को या तो क्रिकेटर बनना है या तो एक्टर बनना है.
Right.
Of course it's chaotic. अगर आप वो क्रिकेट में भी देखो तो उसमें भी बहुत पॉलिटिक्स होती है.
Right.
It's not like कि बेस्ट प्लेयर्स को ऐसे ही चांस मिल जाता है, वैसा तो नहीं है ना. So I think that it's something that's so loved in a country like India, which is very much at the basis, like the foundation of India is like we love our movies and we love cricket. These are the 2 things. So it's difficult to create a method to the madness with such a large population and such a large population that will never say no to acting.
But as you said कि अगर कोई क्रिकेटर बनता है तो वहाँ भी पॉलिटिक्स होती है.
Of course.
कास्टिंग में होती है पॉलिटिक्स?
I feel like the younger generation, in my opinion, at least the casting directors that I'm closely working with and the ones that I've known and I've respected, we have a pretty fairly good camaraderie within the casting community.
Okay.
Which is nice. But I feel like वो थोड़ा बहुत politics तो सब जगह होता है. I don't think it's only in casting. It's in everything,
Okay.
It's in every department.
What kind of politics are there like?
Just like I feel like everyone kind of wants to jump on. I'm not one of those, but you see that people want to jump on. There may be certain directors that many people want to work with. So there's like, then it's survival of the fittest, as it is with most other things in life, you know, which I think is actually, if you ask me, it's healthy competition. But I think the camaraderie within casting directors is actually quite nice.
But Panchami, when you talk about your fellow casting directors, Mr.
Yeah.
Mukesh Chabra once said in an interview,
Yeah.
if you are a good actor, passport size photo is enough. You being a casting director, if I share a
Yeah.
passport size photo with you,
I'm not actually a photographs person anyway. I've said this on many podcasts.
Okay.
I don't believe in portfolio pictures at all. So I mean, I kind of understand where Mukesh would be coming from, because वो I think वो एक money making racket था कि portfolio photos खिंचाओ, लोग tier 2 tier 3 से आ रहे हैं, they're paying thousands and thousands of rupees. To be honest, I don't need portfolio pictures. We
तो
always
जब
ask.
मुझे आपको प्रोफाइल भेजनी है तो मुझे
हाँ.
पिक्चर्स नहीं भेजने हैं आपको?
नहीं, आप मुझे पिक्चर्स भेजो, पर अपने फोन से लेके भेजो ना.
ओके.
उसको कोई बड़े फोटोग्राफर को क्लिक करने की और आपको 5 डिफरेंट लुक्स करने की कोई जरूरत
नहीं, बट फेयर इनफ, आई कैन क्लिक अ
Yeah.
पिक्चर फ्रॉम एन आईफोन और a good
Yeah,
Android phone.
I want 3-4 good photos. Do not wear glaze.
Okay.
So passport size, he probably said because of that reason, because it's
Okay.
very irritating. Actors often send photos in glaze. This
Okay.
is the worst thing to do. Actually, it irritates me when actors do that, because अगर मैं आपका face नहीं देख सकती हूँ, तो how will I judge?
Right.
You know, so I need to be able to see your eyes. I need to be able to see your smile. I don't need to see your bare body. All of that is super dated.
Right.
You know, कौन सा पहले होता था women के लिए bikini look, एक
Right.
Indian look, western look, उस सब की बिल्कुल जरूरत है. White t-shirt, blue jeans पहनो, 4 pictures एक अच्छे clean background पे लो, not in a messy frame behind.
Okay.
That's it. That's
Okay.
all
और
you
वो
need.
पिक्चर्स कैसी होनी चाहिए? लॉन्ग शॉट, मिड फ्रेम?
They should be close-ups and they
Okay.
should be mid.
Okay.
You can perhaps do 1 or 2 long shots, which is full length, but we don't really. I think that when I'm seeing portfolio pictures, then I want portraits.
Okay.
Portraits is mainly mids and closes.
Okay.
And we don't want sunglasses ever.
Okay.
Those you only wear on your holiday, and photos for your phone.
Right.
And thirdly, just simple clothes, yeah, like
Okay.
white, blue, simple colors, nothing too jarring. Don't wear prints. Don't do red check shirt, blue striped shirt, because
Okay.
what it does on camera is that it jitters. It's also
Okay.
distracting. So I would say photos that you're setting a casting director should be very simple,
Okay.
plain, smile.
Okay.
You know, don't show us only the hero looks. We want to see a little bit of your personality too.
Right.
You know, just simple stuff. 4-5 photos, 1 introduction, clean, simple. This can be done in your cost of doing this is not more than 2,000 rupees.
ओके. बट पंचमी एक chaos है मार्केट में.
Yeah.
आराम नगर के सारे एक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि अगर मैं किसी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को रीच आउट कर रहा हूँ, लेट्स से पंचमी को रीच आउट कर रहा हूँ, पंचमी का एक टेम्पलेट है, राइट, कि उनको ऐसी पिक्चर्स चाहिए.
Yeah.
अब वो सेम एक्टर अगर प्रोफाइल भेज रहा है एज लेट्स से त्रिशांत शुभम को, तो वहाँ अलग है. दे से कि 3 फोटोज भेजो,
हाँ,
इंट्रो
तो
का
ठीक
लिंक
है,
भेजो.
आप
So there are
adapt करो.
chaos in. तो
But
क्या
आप अडाप्ट कर सकते हो ना, इसमें एक्सपेंस तो है नहीं. If I'm saying that I would like to see clean photos and some, and I'll never see the thing within casting is कि हम लोग एक बिग टेम्पलेट तो बना नहीं सकते, बिकॉज सब अपनी तरीके से
Right,
फंक्शन कर रहे हैं.
right.
तो ना तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि नहीं आप मेरे इस तरीके के फोटोज कोई दूसरे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को भेजो. आई कांट से दैट, एंड नाइदर कैन आई डिसाइड फॉर देम हाउ दे लाइक देयर फोटोज. दैट्स नॉट माई that's just simply would be overstepping,
ओके.
right?
Okay.
So for me as a casting director, so I'm telling you what I need, but I'm telling you, you don't need to spend money for what I need.
Okay.
You just have to send me simple stuff. And to be honest, I think most other casting directors would agree with this, that they are also looking for something similar only.
बट कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि सेंड अस इंट्रोडक्शन लिंक, कुछ बोलते हैं कि इंट्रो वीडियो भेजो, कुछ बोलते हैं कि शोरील भेजो, कुछ बोलते हैं कि सिर्फ एक ऑडिशन
वो
लिंक
तो
भेजो.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आपके पास एक बैंक आपके गूगल ड्राइव पे ऑलरेडी होना चाहिए.
ओके. ओके.
एक शोरील भी होनी चाहिए, एक इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो भी होनी चाहिए, फोटोज भी होने चाहिए, और जो जिसको चाहिए आप वो उनको उसके हिसाब से भेज दो. That to have the same template is like saying that all directors will want the same thing. They will never, because each director is unique and each director has a different style of working. So I don't think that even perhaps it's the same for casting directors as well. Like for me, I prefer to see an introduction, 2 to 3 photos. If you're sending me a scene, I don't need a showreel. If you're sending me a scene, send me something that's under, like, let's say 1.5 minute.
Okay.
So that it's quick for me to watch. If I have to watch multiple of them, then I'll get a sense. Anyway, casting directors will watch 40-50 seconds and get a sense of what kind of actor you are.
पंचमी जब भी मैं बहुत लो फील करता हूँ ना, मैं अपने व्हाट्सएप पे जाता हूँ, स्टेटस खोलता हूँ कास्टिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के,
हाँ
और मैं रिक्वायरमेंट पढ़ता हूँ और मैं हंसता हूँ बहुत देर तक. लुकिंग फॉर अ बॉय मेल 24 to 27 वन डे वर्क साउथर्न इंडिया, टू मी 3 के बजट 25% कमीशन. This is happening. I'll show you my phone. You will laugh on it, and it's
That's
very
right.
funny.
yeah
It is happening in the market. कि
Yeah.
the problem is ना कि casting directors genuine होते हैं, but
Yeah.
coordinators I have seen कि
Hmm.
एक एक्टर जो दिन का 4,000 कमा रहा है मात्र
Hmm.
वन डे टू डे करके, आप उसका 25% ले जा
सही
रहे
बात.
हो. Why there is no controlling on coordinators?
I don't work with coordinators only. So I don't know.
Okay.
So as much as possible, we like to work directly with actors. What we've started to do also is that if we see someone's work and we like it, we just reach out to them on Instagram.
Okay.
We are to known for this.
But पंचमी
We'll
बहुत
सीधा
लोग
send a message to the actor and director, to the actor,
Mhm.
and say we're writing to you. We'll write from the PGC account and say we are writing to you on behalf of PGC. Please send us your contact details.
Okay.
And we
Okay.
just get in touch with them directly. Yeah. So there's no middle person
Okay.
required only.
बट ये आप नहीं करते, बट बहुत सारे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स करते हैं कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हायर. नाउ द
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन आई आस्क कोऑर्डिनेटर्स कि आप इतना हाई चंक क्यों चार्ज कर रहे हो 25% 5,000 में से, दे से कि हमको कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स पे नहीं करते हैं, दैट्स आवर ब्रेड
But
एंड
casting
बटर.
directors पे नहीं करते हैं, नहीं वो तो. Now think about it from our point of view. We तो don't even get involved. The money talk goes straight to production houses. Of course, production houses sometimes will have good budgets, sometimes don't have good budgets. That's just how it works. It also is, as we can see, what's happening with the industry right now.
Okay.
It's a little bit of a tough sort of phase that's been in the last 6 months. There hasn't been as much work for actors even. And
Okay.
I felt that panic also. So that तो up and down I feel like with cost will always happen. But ऐसा नहीं है कि हम नहीं पे कर रहे हैं, मतलब हमें तो खाली budgets देते हैं ना.
Right.
और आगे की जो conversations होती हैं वो often production houses के साथ सीधा होती हैं, direct actors की या agents की या whatever it is. I mean, of course we are there to mediate that, but we are not the deciding factor of who should get paid. That
Okay.
will always be the production house.
बट पंचमी, जैसे मैं एक एक्टर हूँ और इफ आई एम कास्टेड वाया पंचमी कास्टिंग कंपनी,
Yeah.
राइट? नाउ पंचमी, इमेजिन अगर मेरे पास, बहुत बार हुआ है मेरे साथ,
Yeah.
जब मैं किसी दूसरे कास्टिंग टीम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, जैसे 3 months में आपका पेमेंट आएगा, 1 महीने में आएगा, 2 महीने में आएगा. नाउ मैं एक बड़ा एक्टर नहीं हूँ, मेरा प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट मार्केट में है नहीं.
Yeah.
जो
No
लीड
discipline.
एक्टर है उसका पैसा बहुत ही जल्दी अकाउंट में पहुंच जाता है.
Yeah.
जो छोटे एक्टर्स होते हैं, छोटे एक्टर्स नॉट अ राइट वर्ड, इट्स जस्ट अ ड्यूरेशन ऑफ
Budding
द
actors.
कैरेक्टर, राइट? हमारा पैसा बहुत रोका जाता है, एंड समटाइम्स वी फॉलो विद द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ऑन कॉल. कई बार कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बोलते हैं कि यार आगे से नहीं आया, हम भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
बट आगे से नहीं आया, आपकी तो पेमेंट डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्शन हाउस से आती है, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर से नहीं आती है.
बट डू यू थिंक कि एक कास्टिंग कंपनी को ये भी जिम्मेदारी लेनी चाहिए कि
हाँ, हम
पेमेंट
लोग
वहां
लेते
तक
हैं.
पहुंच जाए?
So basically, I'll tell you. Firstly, that's beyond our control for
Okay,
sure.
okay.
Which is once you crack a casting, whatever that, let's say we mediate whatever the price is, the cost is that the actor should be coming in. Once we mediate that price and the actor is locked, there's a contract that's done with
Okay.
for day players. It's a smaller contract. For bigger actors, it's a bigger contract.
Okay.
And then it's actually, there's a more on OTT and film, at least there's a tranche wise payment. Let's say if you're a day player, you've only shot for 1-2 days, then it's like after you get done
Right.
from your 2 days of shoot, you can put your invoice in. Now delays from production houses is actually, I have seen it's there only. It's just, I mean, even I don't have an answer really कि why is it that वो actors को a certain amount of time में पैसे नहीं clear करके देते हैं. That's beyond my scope also, because वो हमारे पास भी delays होते हैं. मतलब मैं भी अपना खुद का इनवॉइस डालती हूँ, कभी कभी वहाँ पे भी डिलेज होते हैं. तो वो खाली एक्टर्स के साथ नहीं हो रहे हैं,
Right.
या तो डे प्लेयर एक्टर्स के साथ नहीं हो रहे हैं. आई थिंक वो एक सिस्टम थिंग है दैट आई थिंक HODs के साथ भी होता है, एक्टर्स के साथ भी होता है. But of course it's unfair. I understand that 3 months would be a very long time for an actor to wait कि आपने 3 महीने पहले कोई पार्ट किया और आपके पैसे अभी तक नहीं आए हैं.
Right.
So usually what we try to do in this is that we try to mediate that. We try to mediate that from our end, but still we get responses often say that listen, उसको तो 10 दिन लगने वाला है. So at least when they tell, what we try to do is that if they tell us honestly, because वो एक्टर के तो फोन ही नहीं उठाते कभी कभी, एटलीस्ट हमारे फोन उठा
कभी
लेते
कभी
हैं. हाँ, एटलीस्ट हमारे फोन उठा लेते हैं.
जी.
तो हम जब हम लोग, if I intervene,
राइट.
and or I get someone from my team to intervene that XYZ's payment has not been done, then we just get an honest reply from them that, listen, it's been XYZ amount of time, the actor is following up, it doesn't look nice, they finished their shoot 2-3 months ago. What's the problem? Why is it stuck?
Okay.
So then they have their own XYZ, something is stuck, someone is traveling, someone needs to sign on a check, as it is in life. So they'll usually give us a so I'll be like, okay, so then how much time do you need? And then they usually give us a rough number, which
Okay.
will be like a week, 10 days, 15 days. And then we just relay that on to the actor. But we usually then, once we're looped in, we'll make sure that in 15 days, we'll send one reminder message to the production house and be like, has XYZ's payment been cleared? But let me also tell you, I think I'm a little bit lucky here again. I think the kind of producers and directors I'm working with, yes, I've seen delays in payment, but it's not been like payments don't come through.
Okay.
Maybe it's just the people that we've collaborated with so far. Let's say someone like Dharma Productions is spectacularly on point with payments. Payments will never be delayed, not for actors, not for HODs. And I really respect that, and I do a lot of work with them. I guess stepping in and mediating for actors is a very normal thing that happens when we are working with other production houses as well. So we try and do whatever we can. Yeah, there are certain things that are beyond our immediate control. If that money was going from our account, it would have gone a long time ago, but we don't get into that only. Like, I've never, the transaction of actors and production are always with each other.
Okay.
We are only mediating, cracking the cost, and then if you've not got your payment for long, we can step in to just put in a word to say that please have this cleared.
पंचमी, जब आपने कहा कि आप अपनी टीम के साथ जब काम करते हैं और जब धर्मा आपके साथ इन्वॉल्व होता है, राइट, तो आपकी टीम ने भी कहा है कि उनका पेमेंट कभी नहीं रुकता है,
नहीं,
राइट. मुझे ये समझना है कि धर्मा का प्रोसेस क्या होता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ना एक आरोप लगता है कि धर्मा प्रमोट्स नेपोटिज्म, व्हिच आई फील इट्स बुलशिट. बट आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि लेट्स से मुकेश छाबड़ा है या त्रिशांत शुभम है या एंटी कास्टिंग है और शानू शर्मा है.
जी हाँ.
शानू शर्मा से, यशराज से एक एक्टर को बहुत कम कॉल आते हैं, धर्मा से भी कम कॉल आते हैं कंपेयर टू जो बाकी ऑडिशंस मुकेश छाबड़ा है, त्रिशांत शुभम या एंटी कास्टिंग से आते हैं. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि
मतलब इन व्हाट सेंस मुझे नहीं समझ.
लेट्स से मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, ठीक है, मेरी प्रोफाइल हर कहीं है, पंचमी के पास भी है, शानू मैम के पास भी है, मुकेश सर के पास भी है. एज एन न्यू एक्टर मुझे ज्यादा कॉल्स मुकेश छाबड़ा, त्रिशांत शुभम, एंटी कास्टिंग से आते हैं. मुझे धर्मा, यशराज से बहुत ही कम आते हैं. व्हाट्स द रीजन इन जनरली, नॉट मी, इन जनरल?
वो तो आई थिंक ये फिल्म की बात होती है. डिपेंड्स ऑन कि वो फिल्म का रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, उसमें कौन से कैरेक्टर्स हैं, आपने कितनी बार हमारे साथ टेस्ट किया है, ये भी एक थिंग है. बिकॉज आप जितना डेटाबेस में रहोगे, आप जितना अगर आपने हमारे साथ एक पार्ट क्रैक किया है, तो फिर अगेन that kind of makes you come a little bit more in our zehen than usual. That's a normal thing, happens in casting all the time. But I think वो एक ऐसा कोई फंडा नहीं है. हम लोग, I think हमारी हर एक फिल्म पे हम नए फेसेस को डिस्कवर करते हैं. Like now actually मैं आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बताती हूँ. मिस्टर एंड मिसेस माही पे हमारी 80% सेकेंडरी कास्टिंग ईमेल्स के थ्रू हुई है. मतलब हमने उन लोगों के साथ कभी काम नहीं किया है. फर्स्ट टाइम काम किया है, फर्स्ट टाइम कास्ट किया है. एंड अभी एक बार जब वो कास्ट हो चुके हैं, तो वो हमारे साथ दूसरा काम भी कर रहे हैं. सो वो एक प्रोजेक्ट के हिसाब से होता है. मे बी लेट्स से कि मिस्टर एंड मिसेस माही में एक जयपुर बेस्ड बहुत ही मिडिल क्लास स्टोरी थी. सो हमें बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी बहुत सारे नए फेसेस को इंट्रोड्यूस करने.
राइट.
अगर आप एक शो कॉल मी बे जैसा देखो, विच इज अ मच मोर अर्बन शो फॉर Amazon प्राइम, तो उसमें लेट्स से कि मिस्टर एंड मिसेस माही की जो कास्टिंग है, वो शायद कॉल मी बे के वर्ल्ड में नहीं फिट होती.
राइट.
बिकॉज वो वर्ल्ड्स डिफरेंट है. तो वो एक प्रोजेक्ट, इट्स लिटरली पर प्रोजेक्ट पे होता है. ऐसा कोई फंडा नहीं है हमारा कि हम इन्हीं एक्टर्स को टेस्ट करते हैं तो ये ही है हमारे डेटाबेस में. इनफैक्ट हम बहुत ट्राई करते हैं कि वी कम आउट ऑफ दैट सर्कल एंड हम नए एक्टर्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करें. बट लाइक आई सेड अगेन, लाइक यू ऑल्सो सेड, कि बहुत केओस है वो. ये ओवरऑल कास्टिंग की इंडस्ट्री में एंड डेटाबेस को मैनेज करने में कितने सारे, अगर आप एक हो जो शायद आपको ऐसा लगता है, ऐसे भी और दूसरे एक्टर्स हो सकते हैं जिनको लगता है कि उनको दूसरे यहाँ पे कॉल्स नहीं आते हैं और वो हमारे साथ टेस्ट कर रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक कि वो इट्स जस्ट अ श्योर अमाउंट ऑफ एक्टर्स दैट वी हैव.
Right.
यू नो वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स एंड हर सुबह मैं उठती हूँ तो नए एक्टर्स. मैं सुबह उठती हूँ मेरे पास हमेशा 30-40 मतलब व्हाट्सएप पे मेरे पास मैसेजेस एंड प्रोफाइल्स आते हैं.
Do you watch profiles on WhatsApp? Do you entertain
I
them?
get so many profiles on WhatsApp.
Okay. You
In
reply on
fact,
them or you
I don't
acknowledge them?
reply on all. Obviously,
Right.
that's not possible. I'll
Right.
go crazy. फिर तो मैं काम कैसे करूँगी? वही
Right.
करना पड़ेगा. But I do if someone I see pictures and मुझे something interesting लगता है तो मैं उनके नंबर सेव कर लेती हूँ. But
Okay.
वो random होता है.
क्या स्पार्क और कैसे देखते हो आप? बिकॉज आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रोसेस कि हाउ यू सी दिस एक्टर की काम का एक्टर है कि नहीं, अगर आपके पास प्रूफ
अगर वो वीडियोस भेजते हैं तो फिर तो ऑफ कोर्स मुझे एक्टिंग देख के ही पता चल जाता है.
ओके.
अगर वो वीडियोस भेजते हैं जिनमें उन्होंने अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं की है तो वहाँ पे भी देख के पता चल जाता है. एंड देन द थर्ड विच एक्चुअली जो मुझे बिल्कुल आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग इन जनरल नॉट वेरी बिग ऑन chasing looks.
Okay.
But unless I see something जहाँ मुझे लगा कि okay this person has a very interesting face, and ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली एक कैटेगरी या एक एज ग्रुप के लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हैं, आंटीज भी करती हैं, अंकल्स भी करते हैं, सब लोग करते हैं. So if there's something interesting in their look, then I'll.
Okay. Yeah.
So it doesn't have to be only on looks. It can be anything that जो मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा आपके बारे में.
Okay.
अगर आपकी वीडियोस फनी है, एंड मैं तो इंस्टाग्राम पे इतने सारे एक्टर्स को खुद मैसेज करती हूँ इफ आई सी देयर कंटेंट एंड मुझे लगता है बहुत फनी है, या तो अपने मैं फ्रेंड्स को बहुत सारे उनके लाइक अंकुश बागुना वाज वन ऑफ देम बिकॉज आई you know used to see so many videos and I used to find them so funny that मैंने आगे से उसको बोला कि I love your videos. Even that Chandni mimic girl who's doing Alia's mimicry, you know, I messaged her also and said that, you know, amazing work. So I thought I reach out to
So you cast people, you cast influencers as well, because you cast.
I cast everyone that acts well.
Okay.
I have no bar of influencers, comedians, ये वो anything you can be.
नंबर बहुत मैटर करते हैं आजकल.
मुझे तो नहीं,
Okay.
but I think OTT platforms को करते थे.
Okay.
अब वो भी चेंज हो रहे हैं.
अब चेंज हो रहा है.
हाँ जी.
Okay. Okay.
अच्छी बात है.
पंचमी, एक बहुत क्लीशे चीज होती है जब हम कास्ट करते हैं. एक क्लीशे टर्म्स बना रखी हैं हमने. Rich look.
ये तो I am completely against. It boils my blood. So don't even start
A
this
person
topic.
who's fair looking, he's rich look. Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in India, right? वो
Yeah.
कहाँ से आप कास्ट
That
करेंगे
too
उसे
is
rich
a
look?
narrative. It's a narrative flaw. We never use.
Right.
We are so. I can't tell you how mindful we are with everything. One post goes out on my page. I do a proof check of what goes out.
Okay.
So I am very proof check type of person. Basically, nothing is going out
Okay.
without me having to endorse it or be happy with it.
Okay.
From my office, whether it's a playlist or it's a one screen thing. मतलब even if it's like a casting requirement जो हम Instagram पे डालते हैं, उसको भी बहुत आप हमारे पेज पे देखो, हम कभी वो वर्ड्स नहीं यूज करते. बट even if you are finding someone from the trans community, LGBTQIA, all of it is completely proofread before it goes out to make sure that it does not hurt any sentiments. It does not make any actor feel small, bad. We never use words like beautiful girl or anything like that. What is beautiful? The umbrella of beautiful is too large. So we never use words like that. We'll never say words like rich, beautiful, fair, upmarket, plump, fat. We never use words like that because they're just insensitive. Yeah.
So how you express it? Let's say if you're looking for a, let's say, chubby actor.
We say plus size.
Okay.
That's ethical.
Okay. So
So
you're
there is
very
an whole
much
ethical
cautious
language.
while
Yeah.
using the
Yeah.
words.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And we won't say, I mean, ideally I couldn't say we've not made mistakes. Of course we have, because we are also learning. But yeah, we are very, very mindful about the things that we say. We've instantly taken posts down if we feel like narratives are not right, not sounding okay. You know, we won't say North Indian. We'll say looking for someone from the North. So
Okay.
small things take you a long way, you know. And I think that and anyway, अगर हम जो भी requirement डालते हैं उसमें कोई ना कोई जो उस कैटेगरी में नहीं है वो भी भेज ही देंगे.
हाँ, होता है.
But I think that वो एक हमारे लिए ही है, just to
Right.
set it straight. And hopefully, to be honest, my goal is a little bit bigger. I hope that I hope that other people see it, younger casting directors see it, and they, you know, they adapt to the same
Right.
way of working.
आपने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात कही, जब आप कोई रिक्वायरमेंट पोस्ट करते हो
Yeah.
तो बहुत सारी प्रोफाइल्स जो रेलेवेंट नहीं होती वो आती
वो आ
है,
ही जाती
मोस्ट ऑफ इट, राइट? डू यू थिंक कि ये प्रोसेस को स्मूथन करने के लिए व्हाई नॉट कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स आर टेक फ्रेंडली एंड यूजिंग एआई टू
Yeah,
to
so we're trying
bifurcate
to,
things, right?
Yeah, we are trying to do it. I think that if I'm not wrong, Mukesh has done an app now. YRF has been using an app.
Okay.
But again, it still needs, see, any of these things, they need some testing period.
Okay.
So I think that's what's happening. We're also trying to figure out, of course, we want to use, you know, we want to be able to use the softwares to make our lives easier. Why will we not want that? And technology has the expertise. It should 100% be done.
Right.
So we are also in that sort of space where we are testing out a few things, but usko abhi world mein bahar dene ke liye thoda time lagega.
You really want it. You're hustling hard in
Yeah.
casting, right? You're investing in restaurants as well, as you said,
Yeah.
right? You really want it, or you want others to see that you have made it.
No, I think I'm someone that cares a lot about the bigger things in life. So I actually want to do something more than just make it. I want to leave a legacy behind in casting, for sure.
And who is your biggest competition in casting?
I'm only competing with myself.
हाँ, ये तो सरकारी जवाब हो गया, बट ये तो बहुत ही डिप्लोमेटिक हो गया.
No, I don't find any. I think the kind of work I'm doing is very different from my competitors. And if I had to swap what they are doing, then I would still choose the work that I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm working with the people that I've always wanted to work with.
Okay.
And I'm very happy with my body of work. I'm happy with the school of thought that I'm working with.
बट पंचमी कई बार क्या होता है कि सीजन 1 में कोई कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर है, सीजन 2 में वो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर नहीं
हाँ,
होता
वो तो लाइफ है.
है. ये होता है मोस्टली, राइट?
Yeah.
सो यू आल्सो फील कि यार ये प्रोजेक्ट तो मेरा था, ये करण के पास चला गया.
नहीं,
या ये-
I don't think so. I mean, for instance, I casted Class season 1. I'm not casting for Class season 2.
Okay.
No, I don't think that I get that attached. I get attached to experiences of working with directors. But projects ka kya hai na? I've did the work that I was meant to do. I'm so happy with the way that the cast has come together. That same cast, a lot of the same cast will be in season 2 as well. So I'm happy with what I've done.
पंचमी, आपने आते ही मुझसे कहा था कि लास्ट टाइम आप रोए थे मिस्टर एंड मिसेस माही देख
हाँ.
के उस सीन में.
In life, you asking,
Yeah.
or in movie?
In life as well, you cried when you watched that movie. Now my question here is, आपके फादर हैं, most of the people don't know he is a cricketer,
Yeah.
right? How is your relationship with your father? I don't mean very generic question here.
Yeah.
Because relationships nowadays are very complex,
Hmm.
especially from a son to a father, right? हम express नहीं कर पाते हैं बहुत चीजें ना.
Hmm.
Yeah,
that's a very common thing.
right? And girls express very well.
Yeah.
Right. And I've seen कि ना father loves daughters ज़्यादा मैंने देखा है. They
It's
are
a
more
different kind of love.
right. In fact, when I think about fatherhood, I always imagine having a daughter.
That's sweet.
So I want to understand that your father was a cricketer, right?
Yeah.
What kind of connection you have with him, and
So-
he pushed you to become a sports person or not?
Yeah, he tried.
Okay.
So my father actually and me have a pretty large age gap, which has become quite common in today's time. But my dad had me at when he was 34. So I think growing up, I was a little bit like scared of my dad because he was he had a little bit of a strict vibe.
Okay.
Dad.
Okay.
But obviously, once I grew up, which is always what happens, that your real relationship with your parents is once you're old enough to have your own identity. I think it took him some time to accept when I wanted to work at the movies, because I think India mein wo ek parents ka ek, especially with because fathers are also protective. The film industry was kind of had this big bad world sort of reputation.
Right.
So he was obviously like, I don't know what it would be like for you to work at the movies. It's people cannot be so good, and I understand. वो एक पहले का time भी अलग था, अभी तो काफी अलग है. But I think it's really in the last maybe 7-8 years that I've really had a really wonderful, let's say post my 25, I've had a really wonderful friendship with my dad.
Okay.
And we're actually really close, and I'm we've we've come to a point of really being able to speak about like everything freely. Like even I couldn't introduce my dad to any of my boyfriends, but then finally I got married, and I think that also changed the dynamic a little bit to be able to speak more freely. And now we'll have a drink together, and it's totally become like a friendship now in India.
Okay. So my question here is, Panchami, कि कई बार ना we compare, let's say in boys case ना, I've seen this thing कि if I am seeing a motherly figure in a girl, I'm sold out, I'm gone.
Oh God!
But the
that's such a
problem-
problem.
But the
Because
problem,
nobody wants to mother you.
exactly, the problem with the girl, the moment she realizes कि यार मुझे माँ बनना पड़ेगा इसकी, it's the biggest turn.
Yeah, they are going to run away.
But on the other hand, as a girl, you always compare or seek a partner which have traits like your father.
No, not particularly, I would say. I do think that having a wholesome relationship, or that sort of relationship, to if it's not smooth for a woman, like let's say if my relationship with my father was not, then it could be that some of it would fall on to your expectations out of your partner and that dynamic as well.
Okay.
So I do think that in life, a smooth sailing relationship with our parents will always only be fruitful towards a healthy relationship with your partner.
Okay.
So I do think that because those two things are so close to comfort in terms of what you expect out of each other, and what you see with your parents, that resolving some of that can be important.
Okay.
Resolving some of that dependence on or not looking for something, or expecting something motherly from a partner, resolving your pattern can be important for your relationship.
Okay.
I do think that.
Now, your connection with food, Panchami. Your husband owns
I love
few restaurants as well. You love
Yeah,
food.
just-
आपका Insta भरा हुआ है आपकी travel
Yeah.
stories और food से.
I love food.
Okay. Recommend me like good few places in Mumbai to have good food.
Number one, I love Bombay Canteen. It's in Lower Parel.
Okay.
Lovely food. Love.
Which I can afford as well.
Yeah, you'll be able to. Don't underplay. Don't be so modest also. Okay. Then I love Cafe Madras, which is an old school institution,
Okay.
South Indian, in Matunga.
Okay.
Amazing food. Then I also love Trishna, which
Okay.
is in town. Seafood, like coastal seafood.
Hmm.
I don't think anyone can do a biryani as good as my house. So, my house.
Okay.
You'll have to come for biryani.
Okay. You have to invite.
I will invite you. I'm very, 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 very happy hoster.
Okay.
I love hosting people. for
Okay.
food. And that's something I've got from my mom actually. But yeah, I think Bombay has lots of good food. I love, there's a lovely restaurant called La Loca Maria, which is in Bandra. It's Spanish tapas, one of my favorite restaurants in
Okay.
Bombay. Then I love a good Ashok Vada Pav. Basically, I have a very big variety when it comes to my food.
Okay. So Panchami, in India, na, there are three kind of businesses which are booming right now.
Yeah.
Okay. तीन चीजें हैं जिसमें सबका क्रेज है. You are catering all three of them.
What?
First is Bollywood
Bollywood.
booming, cricket.
Cricket में मैं कुछ नहीं कर
Your
रही हूँ. My
father.
dad wishes that I was playing cricket.
ठीक है, but you belong to the same family. And the third is food, which your husband owns it, right?
Yeah.
So you are never going to have a financial low period in your life because
Ghee
all
shakkar.
three.
Ghee shakkar in your mouth. I hope so.
नहीं घी शक्कर नहीं बिरयानी. So I want to understand one thing about your passion for food.
Yeah.
And you are also investing, you said, right?
Me and my husband have invested in a restaurant in Goa. It's
Okay.
called The Second House.
Okay, okay.
It's in Salegaon. It's the first time that we've kind of put our feet into hospitality. But my husband is actually gone. He went to school in Switzerland. So he is studied hospitality.
Okay, okay.
So food is like this. This was a very small step into hospitality, but the intention is, of course, hopefully to do more in life.
Okay, but casting sometimes I feel is a thankless job, right? I feel so sometimes कि सबको पता है कि अरे मुकेश छाबड़ा हैं जो सबको स्टार बनाते हैं, but because of his work in acting, people know him now by his face. But sometimes I feel कि casting is a thankless job. You feel the same?
No, I don't feel the same.
Okay.
Again, I think that my experience has just not been that. I actually feel like we have a very I mean, actors are constantly reaching out and thanking us, but I think that maybe because वो मेरा फंडा भी इसमें एक थोड़ा अलग है.
Okay.
I've not been the kind who has tried to get a lot of PR out of casting people, and like I've made people. Like if you see, our narrative has never been that. I'm very comfortable with there being like a growth over time, and people in the business knowing my work
Okay.
and letting my work speak for itself more than me speaking about my own work. I don't believe in that funda. I also have, I mean, now I've learned to speak a little bit like, in interviews and all, I'm happy to speak about how we put the casting and stuff together. I love podcasts. That's why I'm more than happy to be here. It's a great way for me to connect with
Right.
actors, my audience. So I don't feel it's thankless. I feel like अच्छा काम मिल रहा है मुझे. How can I say thankless? If it was thankless, I wouldn't have not got to collaborate with the nicer directors in the country, but I have.
Okay.
So obviously someone somewhere is watching. It's not that thankless after all.
Right.
But I'm not looking for someone to say thank you to me every day.
Okay.
I'm not that kind of person. I'm like, I don't get some great validation by actors telling me thank you, ma'am, thank you, ma'am. I'm not into that. I want them to do good work and I want them to make me proud. And I always do that before any of my actors are going on set or a new show is starting. I'll always tell them that, like, make me proud, do a good job, be an easy person on set to deal with. Like those things are important to me. Like for me, a longer career is more important than some quick validation.
आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट बोला अभी कि बी इजी ऑन सेट.
Yeah.
मैंने बहुत बार देखा है एक्टर्स बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं सेट पे, बट
Yeah.
जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर बिहेवियर
Yeah.
उनको
It's a very common thing. Most
Right.
common thing is that
राइट
there's too much attitude, too big for your shoes,
राइट
too early in life. Like things like that will pull your career behind, and nobody will be able to control that. आप कितने ही अच्छे actor हो. I think the longevity of your career will matter on how you treat people on set, how you are to ADs. What you would say is like the daily life things. I think
Okay.
people want to work, as we are becoming more and more evolved as an industry. People want to work with people that are collaborative, nice to each other, not giving a tough time to their teams. Nowadays I feel like those things really take you a long way.
जैसे जाकिर खान ने एक बात कही थी कि काम 19 चलेगा, आदमी 20 चाहिए. यू बिलीव इन सेम कि कोई एक्टर भले ही थोड़ा कम पॉलिश्ड हो, पर वो इंसान सही हो, फ्लेक्सिबल हो, इजी टू वर्क.
Fully. I 100% believe in this.
ओके, सो डू यू फील
think
दैट
it's very
टैलेंट तो ठीक है, बट एटिकेट्स इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट.
I think talent is number one.
ओके,
That to nobody.
okay,
can.
okay.
We've left the no talent has left the building.
ओके,
And that happened a while ago, and we are very, very welcome with that
ठीक
change. Even slowly, I feel like a little bit of running behind looks is also leaving the building.
Okay.
We can see that now. Yes, of course, it's still important to groom yourself and be fit. And मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मतलब एकदम ही unfit हो जाओ लाइफ में, वैसा नहीं है. But I think that the over chasing of looks is definitely slowly becoming a secondary factor. It's not that
Okay.
primary. I always say this: we used to be a glamour oriented industry. Now we are a talent oriented
बट
industry.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू पंचमी हियर. अगर वो चीज अब डिमांड में नहीं है, looks are not important as
I'm
you
not
said.
saying that. I think they're less important. I'm not saying they're not important.
But let's say if it's less important now,
Yeah.
then why the sales of all the Botox doctors and all these doctors are going up now? Mostly actors are doing it, right? Most of the aspiring actors.
Yeah, but that again is a very personal choice. वो उनकी acting में तो फर्क नहीं लाने वाला है.
Right.
I'm saying I know so many people that have done it, but they've not been able to crack their career.
Okay.
So that's not equally proportional to your acting career. What is equally
Understood.
proportional to your acting career is your acting. So that is a choice that you are doing, because the industry has become, it can make people insecure.
But demand नहीं है उस चीज की. It's just people are doing for their personal confidence.
See, insecurities and
Okay.
complexes. I feel like that's not something that is a deal breaker in the industry. We are not chasing any looks. Lapata Ladies is a great example of that.
Right.
Where are they? They don't come from any. I know what work these kids have done before, but the world doesn't know. My mother doesn't know कि Sparsh has come in Jamtara. उनको
Right.
कुछ नहीं पता. उनको बस लापता का लड़का बहुत अच्छा काम किया. मतलब लड़की ने बहुत अच्छा, प्रतिभा is now giving such good auditions.
Right.
So you can tell that she's reached there because she has the merit.
But वो पहले भी अच्छी actress थी, right? बट अब ज़्यादा ऑडिशन का फ्लो बढ़ गया आफ्टर.
ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज उसका वो तो एक बहुत नॉर्मल चीज होती है कि लोग आपका काम देखेंगे तो उनको समझ आएगा. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस आई गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ क्लास सीजन 1.
राइट.
जो वो 10 लोग थे जिन्होंने सब शो में, इफ यू वॉच इट यू विल नोटिस they've all done I was afraid कि some might be better than the rest, but actually all of them have done a good job in the parts that they were given. So they were actually aptly cast because they did their own specific parts really well. But still, till the time the show came out, they didn't find representation easily. They all wanted to have managers, but they couldn't find, people wouldn't take them on. But jaise the show came out and became a cult and did well, they all now were able to find managers for themselves.
पंचमी कई बार क्या होता है ना, जैसे किसी भी एक्टर की कोई मैनेजमेंट टीम है तो कास्टिंग पीपल आर अफ्रेड टू रीच आउट समटाइम्स. आई हैव हर्ड समवेयर, आई एम नॉट श्योर, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, कि कविश कभी भी जिस भी एक्टर का मैनेजर होता है उनसे रीच आउट नहीं करता. ही जस्ट वांट टू स्पीक्स टू एन एक्टर डायरेक्टली. So
No, I've not had that experience. It depends. Sometimes we have a better relation with the actor. I'll pick up the phone on the actor.
okay.
If I have a good relation with, let's say, Collective or DC, which I do, or Matrix, to be honest, we work with all of the agencies very closely.
Okay.
So sometimes if I want to pick up the phone on the actor because I prefer that, I will just loop the agency in and say, I'm picking up the phone on the actor. And I'll just let them know, because that's let's say within the system or the industry, there is a little bit of a decorum and respect you work with. So if I'm hanging up the line on an actor, as a casting director, it is a little bit of my loop. It is a little bit of my responsibility to loop their agency in.
Okay.
I mean, the actor can do that also nowadays. It's become a lot more easygoing. But ideally, if I have a good relation with the management, I have no problem talking to a management
Okay.
as well.
Okay. But I want to know, पंचमी, let's say एक नया एक्टर है, ठीक है. अब वो एक एक्टिंग स्कूल, एक तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि फिल्म स्कूल्स इंडिया में इतने हैं नहीं.
हाँ,
राइट.
ये तो प्रॉब्लम.
अगर मेरा सिलेक्शन हो भी जाए, एक तो सिलेक्शन बहुत मुश्किल है. FTI, NSD, BNA, MPST, इट्स वेरी टफ टू क्रैक दोस इंस्टीट्यूशंस, राइट. देश में से 10 बच्चे उस स्कूल में जाएंगे, सिर्फ 10 बच्चे. तो जो बाकी भीड़ है वो बॉम्बे आती है एक्टर बनने, विदाउट ट्रेनिंग, विदाउट फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग, विदाउट नॉलेज.
या
टेल मी, क्या रास्ता बचता है एक एक्टर के पास जब उसको फिल्म स्कूल रिजेक्ट कर देता है? अब वो मुंबई आया है, इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, काम मिल नहीं रहा, क्योंकि आजकल ट्रेनिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एवरी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर इज एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन ट्रेनिंग.
yeah.
What is the way left?
There are many courses, yeah. There are so many lovely people that are doing beautiful courses.
Please recommend us few.
Yeah. Saurabh Sachdeva, which is Actors Truth, does a very nice program.
70K for 3 months. Expensive, it's still expensive, right?
That's, now the thing is that it's very difficult to quantify, because I know for a fact that Saurabh does all of the workshops himself. He gives a lot of time and effort. So I mean, I'm no one to quantify that.
Okay.
But I'm talking purely from the craft point of view.
Okay.
I think Saurabh Sachdeva is doing some really nice work.
Okay.
I recommend Atul Mungia as he's the bap of the scene,
Right.
I would say. He's up there. He's doing the most wonderful work. You don't have to take a course. If you can't afford it, you don't have to take a lesson from him personally. There are other people in his team that also do lessons. Third would be Rachit Singh. I recommend Rachit a lot.
Okay.
Very, very passionate. Again, you need a special bone to be a teacher. All of these people have that.
So first you said ki take small workshops. You recommend me 3 names: Saurabh Sachdeva, Atul Mongia, Rachit Singh.
Yeah, even
Right.
Patchwork Ensemble is doing some really nice work.
Okay.
That's Sheena, Khalid and Pooja.
Patchwork.
Patchwork Ensemble.
Patchwork.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
theatre, but they've been doing some workshops lately.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So they also are doing lovely work. I would say watch a lot of work. Watch
Right.
theatre. Try to crack yourself. आजकल theatre में भी auditions हो रहे हैं. पहले इतने नहीं होते थे. Try to get some theatre. Theatre is wonderful experience, yeah. You know, because आप इतनी बार जो rehearsal करते हो, learning lines becomes like a बाएं हाथ का खेल for you. Performing to a bigger crowd or not being thrown off by, I think ये एक चीज़ होती है जो मैं actually influencers में काफ़ी देखती हूँ कि they are so used to घर पे record करना content कि रूम में 5-6 लोग हो जाते हैं तो उनको टेंशन हो जाती है.
Right.
तो ये एक वो influencers का एक ये यूनिक होता है. सो हम हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं कि influencers को हम ऑफिस में बुलाते हैं.
Okay.
Because we want to break that rhythm.
Okay.
I have no problem if you want to act. I'm nobody to decide कि आपको नहीं करना चाहिए. But you have to act then on our terms. Which
Okay.
is how a film set works, how an audition room works. And हम देखते हैं बहुत influencers try करते हैं कि वो self test ही भेजना चाहते हैं. बिकॉज फिर वो काट कुटा के कुछ बना लेंगे अपने हिसाब से. बट वी ऑलवेज इंसिस्ट फॉर देम टू कम इन द ऑफिस.
बट आपने सेल्फ टेस्ट का जिक्र किया अभी. कोविड के बाद सेल्फ टेस्ट पे ही चल रही है कास्टिंग इंडस्ट्री, मोस्ट ऑफ इट, राइट?
हम लोग के लिए फर्स्ट स्टेप इज सेल्फ कास्ट.
ओके, डू यू थिंक इट्स अ गुड थिंग? क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है ना, एक एक्टर बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो गया है तो टेस्ट की क्वालिटी अच्छी हो रही है. वो समय लेके बना रहा है, वो सारे प्रॉप्स सब यूज कर
अच्छा
रहा है.
है.
बट क्या लॉन्गर रन में ये सही है? बिकॉज
डजंट मैटर, वी
Okay.
ओनली डू वन राउंड ऑन सेल्फ टेस्ट.
ओके
तो उसके बाद तो दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होने वाला है.
ओके
We only do round one on self test.
ओके
You're not getting selected for a part completely on a self test because we will call you into the office
राइट.
for a round two. We will do a reading with the director.
Mm-hmm.
So if you will not, if you've done some smart giri in the house, वो anyway आप next time आओगे तो वो हम लोग को पता ही चल जाएगा.
बट ये आपका प्रोसेस है. बहुत सारे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स सेल्फ टेस्ट के बेसिस पे ही लॉक करते हैं बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स में.
पर कैसे, मतलब at some point तो director मिलना चाहेगा या चाहेगी ना to the actor to read and to meet them and to do some. It's rare that someone has tested from their house. To me, at
Okay,
least, it is
okay.
rare कि आपने अपने घर से हम लोग को टेस्ट भेजा और नेक्स्ट टाइम सीधा सेट पे आए हो. वैसा तो नहीं होता है.
ओके
बिकॉज उसमें हमारे पास लुक टेस्ट होता है, एक्टर्स रीड्स होती हैं. सो देयर आर मेनी लेवल्स टू कैच अ लाई if it's that they are not actually good and they've just cut the audition because of problem.
बट पंचमी, टेल मी कि व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू किल इन अ सेल्फ टेस्ट? हाउ टू नेल इट?
Number one is to be prepped because that shows how much time you have spent. If you really want, if the character is from Delhi, then did you take out any time to add some twangs did you put in an effort to sound like a Delhi person,
Okay.
for instance?
Okay.
So prep a little bit of dialect if you can. If you're confident, you should inculcate that. Props, the right kind of, I would say, not everyone has lights at home, but I would say don't do your test at 7 p.m. when there's no light and try to switch on
Okay.
house lights. Do your test in the day. Not very distracting backgrounds. These are technical things. Of course, it all eventually, killer test will always be performance.
Okay.
But I'm saying these are extra avenues for you to be able to come from that 7 on 10 to 9 on 10.
Okay.
Which is good lighting, clean looking frame. लोग ये बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं कि पीछे आपके पास एक प्रिंटेड कर्टन है तो आप उसके आगे बैठे हुए
Clean background should be.
न्यूट्रल बैकग्राउंड. Prep your scene well. Try to add a little, not a dialect, but like sound a little bit like where the character is from. You know, a little bit of prep basically takes you a long way. Get someone to help you with cues.
Sorry, I have a follow-up question.
Yeah.
कई बार क्यूज में क्या होता है ना कि मुझे अगर कुछ क्यूज चाहिए एंड आई वांट सम टाइम, जो क्यूज दे रहा है कई बार वो बहुत खराब क्यूज देता है. तो सम पीपल यूज इट काइंड मास्टर और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन टू ऐड क्यूज आफ्टरवर्ड्स. डू यू थिंक इट्स अ राइट वे?
Yeah, we have got auditions in which they are only saying the cues and they are
Right,
only giving
in the edit part, right? So do you think it's a right way?
Honestly, for us, without cues is a no-go. I would
Okay.
rather you have bad cues than have no cues.
Okay.
But if the cues are very bad, then we anyway are like, isko office mein bulao. Clearly, person is struggling with cues.
Okay.
But yeah, it is important to get good cues. I
Okay.
think good cues are important. So shayad actors do that because they realize कि वो cues better मैं ही बोलूँगा या बोलूँगी
Right.
तो better आएंगे. So because cues can sometimes, bad cues can be an issue to your performance also.
तो पंचमी, आपने बहुत सारे एक्टर्स को कास्ट किया है, नए एक्टर्स को भी,
Yeah.
नोन एक्टर्स को भी, राइट? आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू बिकॉज आप बहुत क्लोजली ऑब्जर्व करते हो उनका प्रोसेस, राइट? आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड प्रोसेस ऑफ योर फेवरेट एक्टर्स whom you casted or you met on set.
Yeah, very interesting. So actually, I have been lucky enough to see a little bit of Sushant, which has actually been quite interesting.
Okay.
Because I was working on a film called Drive, and he was actually one of the most interesting people in terms of like how much he prepped for a part.
Okay.
A lot of post-its on his script, a lot of like asking questions, a lot of, also it was a part that was a little bit different, right? They were all riders and the film was really long back, and I remember I was also much younger, but very interesting and very inquisitive process, like
Okay.
really living with the character, really, you know, getting into the, not only the body and the shape and all, obviously all of those things, but like just asking, like I remember you used to ask Tarun so many questions about, you know, about the character, how
Right.
it's very different from his world. So I think that prep for every actor is different, but I think Sushant, Ranveer are actors I've seen do very, very hardcore prep. Um, I think from the women who I find really easygoing and interesting is definitely Deepika, because I was there for the reads for Gehraiyan, and
Okay.
she also is someone who loves to make like lots of notes on her script. So I think that it's really these kind of details even in a prep
Okay.
for an actor that कि अगर आपको पूछना है तो पूछो कि इस सीन के पहले क्या हुआ है, what is that character been through. We may not have I may not be able to send you the whole screenplay obviously for testing for one scene, but I will be able to tell you off the record.
दिस इज वेरी अमेजिंग पंचमी कि आपसे पहले मैं साहिल वेद का पॉडकास्ट लिया था,
Yeah.
साहिल वेद का, एंड ही टोल्ड मी द प्रोसेस ऑफ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत.
Yeah.
ऑल्सो साहिल प्लेड सम ट्रांस म्यूजिक ऑन द शो
Hmm.
जो सुशांत ने उनको दिया था दिल बेचारा के सेट
हाँ
पे,
हाँ हाँ.
राइट. इट्स वेरी अमेजिंग कि आई थिंक डॉट्स आर कनेक्टिंग. मैं किसी भी इंसान से बात कर रहा हूँ, एवरीवन
Speaking about
Sushant
Sushant
and his
and
process,
his
right?
process. Yeah, his process is phenomenal.
Is it possible for you to give a breakdown about his process if you have?
I don't remember it completely correctly, but or the exact details of
Right.
it. But I remember him coming into the office, had lots and lots of post-its, would ask a lot of questions. I think he really likes to do. He liked to do a lot of scene breakdown, which is
Okay.
like one scene ko. बहुत सारी notes बना के. Also, he was very helpful as a co-actor. This is something I've heard from more than one person.
Mhm.
Also, again, at some point, I had done a Ekjut ka theatre workshop, and he was in it.
Right.
So we've actually been in the same theatre
Miss
workshop.
Nadira Babbar.
Nadira Babbar is correct. I've done a few theatre workshops actually. So he was in that.
Okay.
So how, there also, usually Ekjut mein bhi kya karte the ki they used to club people, four, five, six people together. So he was always that person who would like help people out, not without overstepping, always had that energy to like, and that hunger was there. Yeah, it was always there to become an actor. And,
Okay.
he really saw it from, when they say his journey was from the bottom to the top,
Right.
and he really, and you could see that in his craft, yeah, that, that he invests a lot of time in the kind of roles that he did, how he prepped for them. I think prep is something that you can see the longevity of someone's career with
Right.
prep, and you can also see the different kind of roles that they are capable of doing. You can see the difference with people that do intensive prep and some
Okay.
that may not.
Okay. Panchami, you were assisting your brother Ayan, Mr.
Yeah.
Ayan Mukherjee on Wake Up Sit.
Yeah.
Now, I have heard this from Mr. Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, in an interview that Ranbir started shooting for Wake Up Sit.
Yeah.
Ayan went to his home and he said, "Look, you're ruining my film." And from that point, he started working on the craft. Are you comfortable talking about it, or you?
I mean, I don't know of this instance, to be honest. I was also very young, and I think Ayan celebrated his 26th birthday. I remember quite clearly on the sets of Wake Up Sid.
Okay.
So he was himself like quite a young director, but
Right.
they had hit it off. Ayan and Ranbir were like, had become like buddies and besties, and they
Right.
have been for so many years after that since, So I think they have the kind of equation where they can really be honest with each other.
Mhm.
And I think that makes for good art, right? So I think that camaraderie also, because Ayan and Ranbir were more or less around the same age when
Right.
they entered the industry. They were more like friends and buddies, and they've been able to tell each other exactly what they expect out of each other. And
Okay.
I think that obviously makes for a good camaraderie both on screen and off screen.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
When we talk about Mr. Ranbir Kapoor,
Yeah.
The
I'm
kind
a
of
big Ranbir fan, by the way.
I am also. He knows what to choose.
Yeah.
You can see a lot of diversification
Yeah.
in the script,
I
right?
love the way he chooses.
From Tamasha to Rockstar to Animal to a lot of films which you have done.
But he's also fearless in his choices.
Right.
ऐसे he's fearless. Like उनको कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट, आई थिंक रणबीर को कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट देके डर नहीं लगता कि मैं ये कैसे करूँगा.
Mhm.
That's what you call a fearless actor.
Right.
He doesn't question his own talent.
And correct me if I'm wrong, he's also from Lee Strasberg?
He also went to Lee Strasberg at some point, but I think much before me.
Okay, he's a senior from your
Yeah,
college,
yeah,
university.
Yeah. Many people have gone to Strasberg actually.
पंचमी, जब मैं choices की बात कर रहा था, actor को great उसकी choices बनाती है. But
Yeah.
sometimes you are the one who are convincing an actor to take this choice,
Yeah,
because
absolutely.
you are getting pressure from a director or a filmmaker, or it's your job to convince them,
Yeah,
right?
no, it's
But
my
sometimes it became, sorry to interrupt, but sometimes it became more selfish reason for a casting director कि यार कर लेते हैं यार, काम बन जाएगा. Does it happen
नहीं
with you as well?
वो वाले एटीट्यूड से अगेन मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं काम करती बट ऑल्सो मैंने ना तो कोई भी एक्टर को कभी भी प्रेशराइज किया है कि आपको करना ही पड़ेगा या तो ये हमारा रिलेशनशिप खराब हो जाएगा उस तरह का
Okay.
काम मैं नहीं करती हूँ बट येस देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स व्हेन अ एक्टर इज नॉट फेल्ट टू श्योर एक्चुअली अ गुड एग्जांपल वुड बी recently when I was doing Murder Mubarak, which is such a nice ensemble. I remember when I met Tiska for the first time for that part, and
Okay.
she's done such a good job in the film.
Right.
She's probably like come out the most like funniest and humorous from the film. At first, she was a little bit like unsure about taking on that part, and Tabhi, I remember telling her that you have no idea what you can do for this part. So there was a little bit of convincing from my end, but only because I truly believed that she could have brought something really interesting to the table. So a little bit because of me and Mansi, who's from Inega, she kind of took that push from us because we told her that just do it. You don't understand. It's a fantastic team to work with. Homi is he's such an incredible director. He's also has such a fun style of working. You will have fun on set. So what if it's a big ensemble, and it'll forget anything else, it'll be a good working environment for you, and you'll have fun because it was a comedy at the end of the day. So I think that nudging actors sometimes is required. Yes, it is a part and parcel of the job, but I never do it with a ulterior motive. I only convince actors till I know that they need a nudge, and they are also partially convinced. But I will not convince them if they are unhappy to do a part. Like if they are not happy with the part, they're not happy with the way that their graph is written, and they are very strong about that, then I don't go out of my way to convince.
Okay. Last thing you want to tell to all your all the actors who follows you, right? Just one last thing or tip you want to give or advice that
I would just say like hang in there.
Okay.
Because I feel like we don't say that enough. हम actors को बोलते नहीं है कि अगर आप वर्क हार्ड करोगे तो शायद मैं नहीं बोल सकती कि कितना टाइम लगेगा, बट अपना टाइम आएगा.
And Panchami, I really want to ask you, ऐसी कोई बात, ऐसा कुछ प्रमोशन जो आपको करना है जो मैं बात करना भूल गया? This is your time. You want to promote anything?
No, there's nothing as such. I mean, we have some fun work coming up. I'm excited for that.
Perfect, Panchami. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was great meeting you.
Thank you. Likewise.
अगर आपने यहाँ तक ये पॉडकास्ट देख लिया है तो थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल जर्नी टू क्लैरिटी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन. हम इसी तरीके से अमेजिंग फिल्म मेकर्स, एक्टर्स, आर्टिस्ट को लाते रहेंगे हमारे शो पे. ऑल्सो प्लीज टेल अस इन द कमेंट बॉक्स कि आपको और किस आर्टिस्ट से मिलना है हमारे पॉडकास्ट के द्वारा. थैंक यू सो मच. साइनिंग ऑफ.